Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Say hi to the gorgeous Shanisha Monet. Today I'm going to be making her over into an alien for my virtual fashion show. If you haven't already checked that out, make sure you guys go check it out. I'm not really going to give you guys a tutorial. This is just going to be kind of like a sit back and enjoy the show type of vibe. So yeah, enjoy. Alright guys, so I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share this with anybody that you think just is on this type of vibe, yo. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram so y'all can see some other dope stuff that I drop. Leilani's_love. And until next time, peace and love.